Hi there everybody, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I'm just going to take a moment to ask and answer a couple of questions with our beautiful Bridget here. Patients have had some questions specifically about benzos and benzodiazepines, pharmaceutical addiction, and patients are basically trying to see if there are some safer or more effective alternatives. So let's ask and answer a couple of questions.
Sure. The first one is, how does cannabis oil relieve benzo addiction?
Well, cannabis oil will relieve benzo addiction by relieving the symptoms that cause us to take the benzodiazepines in the first place. Medicines like Ativan or Xanax, different compounds like that, we take them because we're anxious, we're running too fast, and because we can't sleep. The pharmaceuticals are dissolvable under the tongue and they go right into the bloodstream across the blood-brain barrier, so you have instant and immediate relief. That's very useful. That's why many people will carry them around in their purse, so on and so forth. A doctor will refer to that as patient use as needed, or PRN, for instant relief. So you don't want to take these kinds of compounds for the rest of your life, right? But you do need immediate relief for your symptoms. Cannabis oils, Xanax will behave similarly to an indica, right, which will slow you down. Cannabis oil medicines from kingharvest.org will slow you down similarly to Xanax, give you near instant, not quite as quickly, but within 15 to 20 minutes you'll have quick relief from your symptoms, and it will last you for 4 to 6 hours as opposed to just 1 to 2 hours. A lot of times we take pharmaceuticals just to mask symptoms, and those also come from underlying other problems. And so one of the real reasons we want to choose cannabis oils and natural products as opposed to pharmaceuticals is because cannabis oils in the right combination will actually get you better rather than just helping you to feel better, right?
So the next question is cannabis oil dangerous like the benzos?
So no, it is not dangerous like the benzodiazepines because it is not a neurological or a respiratory system suppressant. It's not habit forming or physically addicting like Xanax. If anybody's ever been on a regimen of benzodiazepines for any length of time, you discover very quickly the wicked truth that once you stop taking the medicines, you really will have a difficult time functioning. Mm-hmm. So they are not, the cannabis oils, cannabinoids are not dangerous at all. They're not habit forming, they're not physically addicting. They can't stop your heart, they won't stop your breathing, you can't overdose on them. And frankly, cannabis oils, cannabis compounds have never physically hurt anybody in history. There's no record of that, mm-hmm. as opposed to alcohol or pharmaceuticals.
So what should someone expect if they're coming off of benzos and trying cannabis oil?
Well, what we would want to do is to stabilize you on the cannabis oils. You'll continue with your pharmaceutical dose, and as you're starting to feel better, we're going to encourage you, under coaching with a cannabis nurse, right? We're going to encourage you to choose the indica bottle little by little instead of the Xanax tablets, right? Or the Ativan at night for sleep. The medicines will last for 4 to 6 hours, so if you take a dose, you'll feel better in 20 minutes. If you're taking a dose before sleep, it'll replace your sleep medicines. In the first couple of days, you can get off of those, and then it'll help you deal with all of the emotional and the other physical symptoms that come with all these harmful pharmaceuticals.
So does that mean that cannabis oil is a better option long term then?
Absolutely. And a patient can expect to feel better within 2 hours. You should really start to notice that you're getting better within 72 hours to 7 to 10 days, as opposed to being feeling like you're going to become dependent on pharmaceuticals forever, right? Mm-hmm.
So how do I get these medicines?
So to get the medicines, all you need to do is call us here at kingharvest.org. That's Lee at kingharvest.org. Visit us at www.kingharvest.org. and call us at 877-469-4584. We're happy to help. We'll go over your regimen, any suggestions and any questions that you have without obligation. Just give us a call. There's never any obligation. We're happy to give you our time. Okay? Talk to you soon. Happy healing.
Happy healing.
Hi everyone, this is Lee from King Harvest and kingharvest.org. I wanted to take a moment and thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe or click on one of the videos to your right. Further, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. You can also visit us at kingharvest.org. Thank you again, and happy healing.